Guys, ang hapon na guys, pero ang gabi gamay. So guys, pag-bye-bye naman punta. Ano na batog ka ating house tour. So guys, naman ay magkakpa si ate. At batog. So, dami naman. So guys, mayroon nagsuka dito guys. Aking kuya kaya rin umuwi ko dito guys. Kaya oras niya magsuka siya. Kaya ala. So, asal po natin guys. Agay! Ayun ka wala kay kuan daya ay gawin natin kay kuan kaya kuan by I taste si Pagadiya si Aite. Uy, Aite! Kasi si Aite ah. Aite! Wow! Wow! So guys, meron na
its location was carefully planned so emergency vehicles could be
naunahan na right? So
The structure included large apparatus bays, equipment storage, crew rooms, service systems, vehicle exhaust extraction, communication panels, and direct response roads. In an airport built on an artificial island, emergency response is not optional. It is part of the core design. Then came the central utility plant, transformers, generators, pump skids, switchgear, power cables, cooling pipes, backup systems. This hidden infrastructure included the terminal, control tower, fire station, airfield lighting, baggage systems, and without it, the airport would be just concrete and steel. With it, the airport became alive. Drainage was another
ay hay ako mag-vlog. Mag-bye-bye na kami. Napagulo ko guys.
Crews built drainage corridors, culverts, pump stations.
So guys, ayatan simula ating mag-vlog guys. Nasimula na tayo. Bye!